Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get voice chat on Tlauncher PC. It's a very simple method. Just simply open the Tlauncher and then choose the option TL mods, which is right beside enter the game. Once you have entered on the search bar top, you will search simple voice chat and then press search. Okay, once you have searched, you will see there will be lots of option. Choose the mode option and then simply choose this one. The first one, simple chatbot. Okay, and you can see there are lots of features. What are the features available here? And simply on the top you will see install. Simply press install, then press OK, and once it will install, I think it will be installed because it is only 2 megabytes. So GG, it is done. Now you can have voice chat on your game. So this was the video. I hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching the video.